Welcome to our channel. Today we how to block spam on Verizon, quick method step by step clearly. To block spam on Verizon, start by accessing your phone settings. Open the phone app on your device. Tap on the three dots or menu icon located in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the call blocking or blocked numbers option. Tap on it to enter the blocking settings. You may see an option for block numbers or add number. If so, tap on it to enter a number to block. Type in the spam number you want to block, then confirm the action. If you want to block unknown callers, look for an option that says Block Unknown Callers and enable it. Next, open the Verizon Smart Family app if you have it installed. Navigate to the Call and Text Management section. There, you can find additional settings to manage spam. Enable the spam filter feature for enhanced protection. This will help filter out known spam numbers automatically. Once you have adjusted these settings, exit the app. Your phone will now block incoming spam calls based on the settings you selected. Periodically review the blocked numbers list to ensure it remains current. For persistent spam, consider reporting the number to Verizon. This can help improve the overall spam filtering for all users. You have now successfully blocked spam on your Verizon device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.